Leland Hardy bringing to you live, One Love, November 14, 2023. About to do the replacement of the oil cooler gaskets and the oil filter housing gasket on the 2006 Mercedes CLS500. Two tiny little gaskets have to be replaced.
Differing stories that are coming out. Obviously, they're in the middle of an operation which gets very complicated.
These tiny little gaskets right here are what causes leaking of oil to drip down all in the front of the vehicle. You've got to replace these periodically. This is the oil filter housing gasket that goes below the oil filter housing. So, first you want to do is take this off, which of course I've already loosened. Then the first thing you want to do is take the oil filter out. Is the oil filter laying on the ground? Clearly I need an oil change. See how dark and nasty that oil is, so I'm going to do that. First thing you want to do is take that out, wipe out this whole housing area, and there's a big nut below it. I'm going to take that nut out, and that holds down this housing. Then you got to separate the oil cooler from the housing with 4 screws here. We're going to take the blower motor out first. Disconnect this here. Take the blower motor out so we can get access to the 4th screw going this way. Take this out. The 2 little gaskets that I showed you right here go on the inside of that. Once they get degraded, oil just starts dripping on the fan belt, which could cause your fan belt to fly off, your serpentine belt, from being too wet. So, Leland Hardy bringing to you live, One Love, about to take care of this job. Hopefully it takes less than an hour. One Love.